How to scan viruses on an iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to scan a virus on an iPhone. To remove the virus from your iPhone, navigate to the Settings app. Now, go to Wi-Fi to make sure of a better internet connection. Then tap on the General option and go to Software Update. Update the software to the new version if available. So tap Update Now to continue. Go back and scroll down to reach the Apps option. Here, select the Safari app. Next, tap Clear History and Website Data to clear the history. After that, go back to Settings and open your Apple account. Then select iCloud and go to the Manage Storage option. Here, get more storage and upgrade to iCloud Plus by choosing the given options. Go back, tap the General option and go to Software Update. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Finally, reset your device to eliminate any potential viruses. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.